Yeah, but the problem here is that PR companies over here really do not have an actual understanding of what social media is.
I agree.
उनको समझ ही नहीं आती है। आप उनको समझाओ भी तो उनको नहीं समझ में आती है।
They think पैसा फेंको और सब नाचेंगे और उसमें
that doesn't work that way anymore.
You have to appease them.
You know, just I mean, I don't want to toot social media's horn again and again. But in the last 4 days, we've had like 4 events.
Yeah.
ठीक है। अभी आज शाम को शमीन उबैद चुनाई की फिल्म की शोइंग है। कल यूएस एम्बेसी ने कुछ रखा हुआ है। संडे को जो है आई थिंक जेनिथ इज डूइंग अ ब्लॉगर्स मीटअप. I mean, these are very busy people now.
Yeah.
So if you want them to show up to your event,
I'm not showing up to either and all.
So if you want people to show up and talk about it,
but ये
you actually want people to talk about it.
ये बताओ US काउंसलेट दोबारा एक इवेंट करने क्यों पहुंची? That I don't.
PKSMS.
नहीं, US काउंसलेट कल जो कर रही है
कल तो वो प्रेस फ्रीडम डे पे.
Yeah, why is US council getting involved in Pakistani issues here?
It's not a Pakistani issue, it's a worldwide issue.
Well, they're hosting it in Karachi. मुझे तो ये लग रहा है कि why literally that stigma, मैं तो पहले भी कह चुका था, that stigma is bad and it's not to be used, should not be used, especially with this precarious situation with the US and the Pakistani situation. You be very careful on hosting events by the US consulate in Karachi or in Pakistan itself. Just a random sponsor can come in, but why the US consulate? Anyway, moving onwards, we are talking about एक जो अली कपाडिया ने अभी किकस्टार्टर पे ही लॉन्च. आपके
भाई किकस्टार्टर पहले बताइए किकस्टार्टर भाई नहीं जितने भी कपाडिया हैं उनमें से कोई भी मेरे से रिलेटेड नहीं है. आप पहले से बता डिंपल फैसल कपाडिया from Strings is not me at all. You can see the proof of that. You know I don't know how to sing at all. अली कपाडिया
मत तुम्हें फैन फॉलोइंग बड़ी आती है यार. आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर तुम्हारी 11,000 12,000 आधी होगी अली कपाडिया.
नहीं आते को तो मैं मना कर चुका हूं क्योंकि वो आते ही मुझे बोलते हैं कि वो गाना कितना अच्छा है आपका और समथिंग लाइक दैट एंड आई हैव एक्चुअली लिस्टेड इन माय प्रोफाइल. मैं क्या करूं यार मेरा नाम वही है. I don't have a choice.
आपने पहले नाम रखा था उसने रखा था.
मैंने रखा था.
ये उसने कॉपीराइट.
I'm sure he's pretty pissed off at me because I've taken all his email addresses. I'm sure. Yeah, but anyways, go on. Tell us what Kickstarter is.
Yeah, Kickstarter is जैसे you launch a fundraising campaign.
Okay.
It's called mostly like an all or none type of fundraising campaign. That means एक day तक if you meet the target pledge goal, you will get the funds, and everyone who's contributed.
How does it work?
उस दिन
people pledge via the credit card or just pledge?
नहीं, people pledge by credit card. Credit card lock कर देता है उसका जो transaction है, and it keeps it locked for the entire month. होता है
duration.
For the duration. Problem with the credit cards is usually वो lock 5 दिन का 6 दिन का लॉक करते हैं. दे एक्चुअली हैव अ डील विद ऑल क्रेडिट कार्ड्स के 1 महीने का लॉक करते हैं. लॉक करके जब तक उस गोल का टारगेट अचीव नहीं होता, जब तक वो पैसे रिलीज नहीं होते, एंड इफ ही डजंट रीच दैट, इफ ही इज, अगर किसी ने 10,000 का प्लेज किया है और 9,999 होते हैं एंड ही डज नॉट गेट दैट $1, एवरीवन इज रिलीज ऑफ द funding and the pledge doesn't go, the donation doesn't go through.
That's pretty good.
That's good. That's also risky also. So Ali Kapadia is a guy who's done a few films in Pakistan and
I think he showed one of his movies in TED also.
उसकी जो उसकी एक कार्टूनिश मूवी थी. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I remember that. तो उसमें he's planning to make a movie on Pakistan and India peace, and that movie has a very interesting twist to it.
Movie in Pakistan and India peace called Dushmani.
नहीं, I don't know. Dushmani.
No. It's a story of two soldiers. One from Pakistan, one from India, and they're put together in a situation, and it's a story about hatred and compassion and how we are separate but we are one, something like that.
Yeah, it's an interesting story and I think it's needed to have that. The thing is, Ali Kapadia has pledged highly that $75,000 is going to be a very tough task to reach, especially when you're appeasing to a Pakistani and Indian population which does not use a credit card much. So basically,
they do, yeah.
They do, but mind you,
they do, but they're thrifty with their money.
Yeah, they're thrifty, and इसलिए ऐसा I believe.
Especially the Indians, you know, they're like. You know,
anyway, I think
I give $5 to this, and I can buy a bag of papadum.
So I think overall he has a great project. He has 30 days to reach that. He's already reached $99. A lot to go. And usually Kickstarter के साथ we had a very good interesting conversation at a TED meetup last 2 months. तो उसमें वो TED के founders कह रहे थे कि जो initial pledges आते हैं वो initial days पे आते हैं और आखिरी 3 दिन में ज़्यादा pledges आते हैं क्योंकि वो लोग procrastinate करते हैं and during that you will continue to see a huge amount of marketing.
So in order to launch a campaign on Kickstarter, I think a few principles are necessary. One which Awab mentioned was that your pledge should be a reasonable amount, so that people can see it happening.
Yeah, and see it happening, and I hope he.
And secondly, the information should be accurate and based on reality. ताकि people can sort of see the goal and see it in view before the pledge for it.
I think उसकी अच्छी छोटी movie है.
I thought it was quite good.
It's a good, well created. He does good job. I think maybe next time we might have Ali Kabadi himself on the show. ताकि we were asking.
But actually the thing is that we think it's too much, but you need 75 lakhs, 80 lakhs to make a movie.
Yeah.
I mean, Shameen could actually tell you a lot more about that,
right,
rather than us.
So this wraps up our Out About show, the social media roundabout, and see you next time.